set of 10 spring clamps. So there are 4 of these 4.5 inch, 4 3.5 inch, and 2 5.5 inch ones, or 6.5. These have nice little rubber or grips here on the end, not rubber but plastic, and they rotate, so if your thing's a little bit off, it'll still grip there nicely. And they also have this edge here, so if you want to grip onto like a rounder device, you can with that. So very handy for woodworking or just a bunch of different applications. Actually, these little guys, actually pretty wide mouth on there. You can see they can open up pretty wide and easy to work with. You can just grab with one hand, clamp them on to wherever you want to, on your table or whatever. If you got a couple pieces of wood here, you need to hold those together. Just snap these guys right on there. And if it's wider or more narrow, these things go on there nicely. So these can be used for a lot of different things. If you got target practice and putting your paper up on their frame, or like this, holding these pieces of wood together so you can screw them together without them slipping. Just a bunch of different applications. Super handy for just your toolbox, your repertoire of tools that you use in your handyman business or whatever. Anyways, quite useful for sure. I always need a pair of extra hands when I'm working on stuff, and without someone being around to help you out, it's just nice to be able to clamp something on there to hold it, and then you can go on from there. So anyways, nice set of little useful devices here. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.